people, I hope you are well. You are welcome back to another time to make that your special day sparkle with your girl Empress Aluko. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. That way you will automatically get notified when I upload any new fun or interesting videos on this channel. And if you are coming back, you are definitely welcome back. Today's video is a balloon decoration tutorial. I am going to be showing you how to make balloon flowers. Balloon flowers are very easy to make. They are very versatile. You can use them for any occasion, any event, baby shower, bridal shower, birthday parties, indoor parties. You can use them in a hall. You can use them for any occasion or any event really. And yes, you can make them. It's very easy to make, and you can combine your colors, your themes to kind of like give it that beautiful and gorgeous effect. You can also use them as backdrops. Without wasting any time, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so the items that you're going to be needing for this balloon design are your balloons. I am using the 11-inch and 5-inch balloons today. I do have two different colors of the 5-inch balloons, and you're going to see why I'm using different colors by the time we create the design. And I have got the 11-inch also. You can use the 10-inch, the 12-inch also. It's really up to you, but I am just using the 11-inch today with my 5-inch balloons. You can also have them in different colors depending on your color scheme or your theme. There is no particular color or particular sort of theme that you have to create this design in. It's really up to you. Also with this design, you mainly need two different sizes of balloons. I do have my fishing line. My fishing line, as you know from my previous balloon garland tutorial, I love using these to hold my balloons together because they are very durable. They are invisible, as you can see them by the time you put them or use them to tie your balloons together, and they last forever. You can get this to buy from any DIY store, or you can even buy them online, and they last forever. I do have my balloon hand pump. As you can see, I am going to be using that to blow up my 5-inch balloons. And I do have the electric air pump, which I'm going to be using to blow up the 11-inch balloons. I also have my pair of scissors that I'm going to be using to cut the fishing line once I use it to hold the balloons together. Also, I do have my two chairs here. They're going to serve as my sizers. On a normal day, I would use my balloon sizer, but if you're trying to do this design at home, you want to be consistent with the sizing of your balloons, and you might not have a balloon sizer at home, but definitely you can use something like chairs and then sort of like put your balloons in between to make sure that they're all the same or consistent sizes. You're going to see how you can do this by the time you start blowing up the balloons. Okay, so I am taking my 5-inch balloons and blowing them up. Because I want to create a consistent size with the two balloons, I am going to size them, putting them between the chairs. I don't want them to be too big. Even though they're 11 inches, I'm just going to blow them up to about 7 or 8 inches because I don't want them to be too big or to burst easily. This is the sort of size that I want all of them to be. So I am just going to use this chair to gauge it. Once it's free to come through the chair, that's what I want, okay? So can you see it? You can do it at home as well, just if it comes through easily. If yes, that's it. If no, then you want to deflate your balloon size. Okay, so as you can see, both of them, they are very similar in size. So what I will do is then to tie them up. Once you tie them up, they are called a duplet. So you want to twist your arms round and tie the balloons together. Bring it forward. Can you see the necks? And knot it. Okay, that is very secure and that is called a duplet. So I am going to do that with another duplet and then put them together. So now I do have two duplets And what I am going to do, so these are 4 balloons. What I am going to do is then to blow up one single balloon in the same size. Okay, so can you see that? And again, just try and measure it around the chairs. The main beauty of this design is the consistency in the sizing. So you want to make sure that the balloons are either exactly the same or very similar in sizes. Okay, so what I'll then do, I'll take a duplet and get my one single balloon. Can you see that? And I want to join that single balloon to one duplet. Just tie the next round. Okay, take one of the necks of the other duplet and knot it. That is very secure and it will not come off, right? So once you have your 3 balloons together, take another duplet and twist them together, twist them round, because you want to put them all together to become one sort of bunch of balloons. So can you see it? I've got my 3 balloons and I've got the 2 here. I will be putting them together. So if you just want to watch how I do this, you bring the 2, you put it on top and take one of the ones from the 3 other ones and kind of like just twist it round. Okay, so take another one, just twist them round. Don't worry about bursting the balloons. They will not break or burst. That's because we've not blown them up to the actual 11-inch sizes. I blew them up to about 7 inches. So they will be fine as you're twisting them, provided they are not touching any sharp objects like this, my hand pump. Okay, right. So can you see that? They're all together now. There are 5 balloons all together. Okay, so I am gonna do exactly the same thing with my pink, these magenta pink balloons. I am gonna create 5 clusters like that, exactly the same cluster as that, but they're just gonna be very small. So to create that, I am using my hand pump, and you want to put 2 pumps in each of these balloons. So 1, 2. Can you see that? That's it. And this also, you want to do it, put two pumps. 1, 2. So with these small balloons, it's very easy to measure the sizing because you know the number of air or the number of pumps you're putting in them. Again, you want to make them a duplet, turn them, twist the necks round, bring it forward and knot it. Okay, now I am going to create the 3rd one and join to this one while I make another duplet. So I've got 2 pumps here. Again, take the neck, tie it round the duplet. Take the neck of one of the duplets and the neck of the single balloon that you've just blown up and tie them. Knot it. That secures it. Okay? I have got another duplet, and like I said, I am just going to put them round just the way we did the bigger pink color. So now we do have our cluster of 5 balloons, and as you can see, they're all very similar or the same sizes. So now I am going to take the light pink 5-inch balloon. You can use any colors like you said. It all depends on what you're trying to create or your color scheme. I am just going to put 1 pump in it. Can you see it? Just 1. And I will tie it. It is smaller than the magenta, and that's for a reason. You will see it by the time we finish our design. So I am just going to put it round. Twist. I'm still holding the neck of the light pink balloon. I'm still twisting it round. Twisting it round. That's to secure it. And now I am going to tie it, the neck, to one of the necks of the pink magenta. Now that secures it, as you can see. So what we're trying to do now is going to create this sort of effect or this type of design, but you will see as we carry on. Now let's take our 11-inch blown balloons, which we blew up to 7-inch sizes. There are 5 of them. So what I am doing is just to separate them, not separating them, but kind of like putting them down on the table, and I will get my fishing line, which is going to go round them. Can you see my fishing line? I am making the balloons rest on the table, and the fishing line has gone round. Now I need to knot it so that I can secure it. Just knot it twice. Okay. When you take your hand off the balloons, one of the balloons will come up. It won't sit properly, but you can always use your hand to adjust it. It will sit properly by the time we're done, so don't worry about it flipping up. So we do have the 5 balloons here. Now we're going to bring our smaller ones and put on top of it. The smaller ones, what you're trying to do is to put one smaller one in between 2 of the bigger balloons. Can you see that? So one smaller one in between the bigger pink balloons. And you see it's sitting right in between each of the bigger balloons, and our light pink color is just at the top. Now let's get our fishing line, which we knotted initially, and take it round the bigger one at the bottom, bring it right up to the magenta, up, and then pull it. That secures it. And that will make all the balloons sit on the table properly. Okay, can you see what we're creating? So let's secure our balloons. Let's secure them properly first, and then you can see the end result. If your balloons move round, don't worry. All you need to do again is just to make sure that the smaller ones are sitting one in between each of the bigger balloons. So just arrange it. The balloons won't burst, but just do it nicely and carefully. Okay? So pull it, and then again take your fishing line around another bigger balloon. Pull it up, round the pink one in the middle, and pull it. Okay, do that again. Do it about 3 or 4 times. I am going to come to the back now. So take it round. Take it up and pull it, and one more time around this one here at the bottom, bring it right up, just pull it. Okay, now we have created our balloon flower. I am going to cut the fishing line. Be very careful that your scissors does not touch your balloon, otherwise it can burst it. Guys, as you can see, this is the end result of our balloon flower decoration tutorial. It is very easy, and all I did after creating our design was just to put double-sided tapes at the back of the balloons, the bigger 11-inch balloons that we blew up to 7-inch sizes. I put double-sided tapes at the back, and I got them stuck to the wall. The double-sided tapes will not chip your paint or chip your wall. That was why I decided to use it for this design. And as you can see it, I just love it. It's beautiful. It's really stunning, and it's very easy to make. So why don't you try this design at home and drop me comments in the comment section below, because I would love to hear and know how you get on with it. Like I said, it's a very simple and easy design, but if you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below and I will respond to them. I hope you enjoyed this balloon flower decoration tutorial. If you have enjoyed it today, remember to give it a thumbs up, which is the like button. Click on that. Remember to share it with your friends or anybody that you think is going to enjoy this video or is going to gain something from it. And if you've not yet subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button, which is the red button, and turn on your notification bell next to it. That way, you will automatically get notified when I upload any new fun or interesting videos on this channel. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Goodbye!